Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp account on your VIVO IQOO U5X. So, if you need the second WhatsApp account for your work, for example, with the separated contacts, numbers, message of course, I'm gonna show you two tricks for that. The first one is by the Google Play Store, so open this app, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Just install it, and by this way we have a two WhatsApp application on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one, so go back to the Google Play Store and look for the dual space. Choose one of these apps. I prefer to use the two accounts, so you have to open it, choose agree and continue, and add the permissions and files. Now just tap on the WhatsApp icon and whole process starting automatically, and now you are creating again the WhatsApp application on your Vivo. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.